hang out with us. You know, when you're doing these things, you just get in the right mindset. All right, everybody, as you can see, we've got the water pump off now. It's a fairly simple job to do. We just had to take the fan and the radiator shroud out. And then there's 10 bolts to go around that water pump. You can see how it insets into the engine block itself. We just had to take the 10 bolts out. Now what we need to do is we need to go in and we need to clean up that surface where that water pump mates back on. You can kind of see there is a little bit of grime on that. You can see where the water pump kind of got into that. So we're going to clean all that up. So we're going to put this thing back together like it needs to. Hopefully we won't have any leaks, and this truck will last for a long time to come. So hang with us, stay tuned, and we'll get busy. Getting it ready to go back together so it doesn't leak. So work hard, and that'll help make your day go better. Well, let's get this cleaned up. Now, as you can see here, I've got all the components put on this water pump and ready to go back together. I've cleaned the surfaces, prepared them, ready to go back together. I just got to be very careful not to mess up my gasket surface. So I'm going to go ahead and stick a bolt in here to start with. Get it started. And go ahead and stick in one right here. Get it started. And then come over here on this other side while holding it in place. It's kind of tricky. Get one started here. Okay, run them all up just a little bit at a time. Not over tight. And that one needs a little bit longer one because that's where a clip went too. So we got different size lengths of bolts as well. And so I know that a longer one goes here. And I like to kind of start them all a little bit before I get too far off in it. Just to make sure
we got everything started as it should be. Another long one. There's a hole. Okay. That's good. I think there's one more. I think this one's going to go, actually. Right in there. That goes there. And so what we had one of our leads go in there. So, let's see. Bucket, no water. Temperature sensor plug. Check. Okay, got two more. I'm finish putting these in and then we'll be on. I'm sorry. Let's turn them on.
I'll use my wrench just to make sure they're snug like they should be. It's got an O-ring behind it, so it's not like it has to be super tight. This impact that I'm using has 3 settings, and I have it on the lowest setting so it doesn't strip out or break the housing. Okay. Okay, so now all we gotta do is put the fan on, put the hoses and the belt back on, and we'll be ready. Stay tuned. We'll see if it leaks. Okay, it took us a little bit this afternoon, but we got it back together. As you can see, the new water pump is on there. We got the hoses all ran, the fan clutch back on, and we just need to make sure that we don't have any leaks anywhere. Not seeing any down there coming out around the water pump. I'm not seeing any drip, so maybe we've got it taken care of. Okay, that's going to wrap it up. I think we got it all back together. Just remember, when things don't go your way, trust in the Lord. Trust that He's got everything figured out. Just have a relationship with Him every day, and things will turn out just like they're supposed to. Have faith. Talk to you later. Have a good one.